Hey friends, if you encounter this error, YouTube an error occurred, please try again later, then please watch this video. So either that file has been removed, that video file has been removed, or the internet connection is problematic. So go to fast.com and hit enter and check the internet connection. And if that doesn't help either, then check YouTube server status. Okay. Okay, and then we can go to any of these websites like Down Detector and check the check the server status for YouTube. Okay, so this is what the server status looks like. There have been a lot of outages recently. Now, once this is sorted out, I will also suggest that the main cause behind it is that the could have been removed, or there would have been geo settings that are preventing you from watching that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.